NIVISS is an engineering and production company specialized in LED technology products since the beginning of its activity. NIVISS Company was established in 2011 and originates from the optoelectrics department of one of the largest distributors of electronic components in Central and Eastern Europe, Meritex, authorized company operating on the market for over 35 years. Our modern production and warehouse complex with an area of 6,000 meters squared allows us to manufacture thousands of products every single day and deliver them on time to our domestic and foreign customers. The company's headquarters is located in northern Poland in the city of Gdynia. NIVISS Company develops and manufactures LED modules and converters tailored for the custom needs of demanding customers. We are experienced in designing electronics for industries such as automotive, horticulture, explosion-proof luminaires, general lighting, street lighting, advertising industry, or aquariums. Since the beginning of our activity, we have been cooperating with the American Cree concern as an authorized supplier of solutions based on Cree LEDs. We specialize in outdoor solutions requiring a specific class of tightness, including ground and pool lamps. Every day, more than 100 specialists are involved in engineering, manufacturing, quality control, cooperation with customers, manufacturers, supplier, and certification laboratories. The experience and knowledge of our staff is a guarantee of the highest quality of services and individually tailored products. In a dedicated research and development facility, NIVISS team of engineers is constantly working on new product ideas and designs. We provide our customers with technical support and offer individual service and dedicated products performed by an experienced R&D team. With the use of modern laboratory equipment, we are able to support our customers throughout the whole certification and design processes. Being an official Meanwell partner, we obtained the Powered by Meanwell certificate, allowing our customers for customizing Meanwell power supply solutions manufactured for NIVISS manufacturing. We have been working for your trust for over 12 years, investing in a modern and proven team consisting of specialists, enthusiasts, and visionaries of the LED industry. For more details, visit our website, www.niviss.com.